Hello, I am Araya the Dragon. You can call me Araya, obviously. Today, I'm gonna show you how to draw wings because why not? It's really easy, and I was like, why not? Why not just show them how to draw wings? Because the way I do it is pretty simple, and you can alter it for like feathered wings or whatever kind of wings you want. I'm just gonna do like simple scaled dragon wings because that's the base. It's like basically like the bone base, and then you can do whatever the heck you want with it. But first you're gonna want to start with just that. That's it. That's the beginning. It's just loop. And like you can keep playing with it until you're happy. Like if you want it to be longer like that, or if you want this, or if you want this part to be longer like that, you can do that. It's really all up to you. But for me, I'm just gonna stick with that's good. That's good. I can deal with that. And then after you have that, you can alter it like this too. I'm just gonna make mine a little bit bigger so y'all can see it better. After you have that part, you're just going to take really the next two steps you can sort of alter between. Like it depends on like what you're wanting, like what effect you're looking for. But I'm gonna start with this part. So after that, for the dragon's wing, you're going to start over here where you see my mouse, and then you're going to just kind of do like a little hoop. I don't like that one. Like this. Just kind of like that. And like I said, you can make it look different. So you can like make a wider wing, or really long ones can make it look like, I don't know, just kind of fancy. And then after that, I just keep this, but you know, like you can change it. I'm just going to take this center here because this is basically like a bone point. Like this is where the wing would fold over. That arrow though. This is where the wing would fold over. So like obviously if you had this part and you wanted it to bend down, it would go like right here and then kind of do that. But that's the basics of the wing anatomy. But then after that, what I usually do to like accentuate like where the joints are and stuff, I just kind of try to line up lines, loop, if I can draw it properly when your mouse just kind of glitches a whole bunch. And I guess I've already kind of messed up here, so I'm gonna show you why. Because like I said, this is the joint point right here, and you kind of want your joints to be coming out of that point. So if you have like how I had before, where it was like this, then they're not really all coming from that point. They're all coming from like a different point. But you kind of want them all to sort of be facing that point, right? So you kind of just want it like that. See? So now it kind of looks like you have multiple wing things. But like I said, you can do this part first and then just kind of connect them the way you want them to be connected. Oh my gosh, my pen. Like that. You can even like add one down here, I guess, if you want. And then you could probably add like an upper part. That looks horrible. Let's do that again. If you wanted, that's a little better. And then you'd have like a backbone to your wing, and then you'd have like sort of more like a bat wing sort of. But if you don't want that, or if that looks a little too hard for you and you're like, what? Where is the joint point? I'm so confused. Then you can go back to your main shape and just start with that part. Not that one. And then you can just kind of go along with where your joints already are. Bam. I don't usually do this one because it kind of takes a less dynamic look. Because you have to think more about, okay, what do I want my wing to look like? And you have to like plan ahead for that. with the joints, the joint lines. And then you have to like match it up perfectly. And see, I'm struggling with this because I'm not used to drawing it this way. But see, kind of, it's not like as much of a curve. It sort of is like, ooh, along the edge. Whereas our other one, if we draw it like this, we can kind of just do this. And we have like a curve. That kind of looks wingish. And then you can like attach it to animal. Look at that beautiful animal. Me not trying art. But yeah, that's how you do it. This is just pretty easy. And like I said, you can alter it. You can alter this for different things. So like if you wanted to do feathered wings, you could, if I can draw, you could just kind of make simple feathered wings. See, there's your simple feathered wings, and you can like keep adding to it if you want. That's kind of like a bird. Once again, you just kind of fold over like this to make your fold. Or if you wanted like really intricate feathered wings, sorry, then you could kind of just do this and just keep going inward. And of course you could add texture at the top to make it look not like a perfectly flat, smooth surface. That'd be kind of funny if you had wings like that. But yeah, that's basically it. That's your whole wing set right there. You can do all sorts of things. Heck, you can make like, bam, smooth wing. Or jagged wings, if you wanted. You could like make weirdly shaped wings. But like as long as you have like this shape right here, you can do pretty much anything as long as you remember this is where the wing bends. And that's how the wing works. So I hope this was helpful to anyone who is like, I don't know how to draw a wing. What the heck is a wing? How do you do that? I want to draw like a bird or a dragon or something, and I have no idea how to do it. It's really very simple. At least I think it's simple. It might not be, but it's basically just like some weird L shape and then like a bunch of squiggly lines. Look, there's another one. Bam. Wing. And like you don't even have to add the joint points. You can just be like, wing. Or create some weird sort of thing. I don't know. It's all up to you. You're the artist. It doesn't matter what you do. It's your art. Just have fun doing it. And I hope that this was a helpful tutorial. Hopefully that helps y'all draw rings. Okay. I'm gonna go now. Bye.